Hi everyone, welcome back to HiruHandmade Crochet. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a simple solid granny square earring pattern. For better visibility in this tutorial, I'll be using a thicker yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook, but the original piece is made with a finer 3-ply cotton yarn and a 2mm crochet hook. Let's get started. We will get started with a magic ring, so wrap the yarn around your index finger twice and then insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through the ring. Now we have a loop on our hook, yarn over and pull through the loop. Now we are ready with our magic ring. And then get started with the first round. There I'm going to work 8 single crochets inside the magic ring. So insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is a single crochet. Continue. Insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through both the loops. Now we have completed 2 single crochets into the magic ring. Like that we will continue. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And then I'm going to pull this tail tight to close the magic ring like this. After that, work a slip stitch into the starting point here, that is the first single crochet. So insert the hook into the stitch at the top of the first single crochet, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. With that we have completed our first round. This is what it looks like. Then get started with the second round. Chain 1 and I'm going to work 1 single crochet into the very same base stitch. So insert the hook into the same base stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both the loops. And then go into the very next stitch and work 3 single crochets. That's going to be the corner. So go into the next stitch, work 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets and 3 single crochets into the very same stitch. Then again go into the next stitch and work 1 single crochet and 3 single crochets into the stitch after that. 1, 2 and 3. Then again go into the next stitch and work 1 single crochet and 3 single crochets into the stitch after that. 1, 2, 3. Again 1 single crochet into the next stitch and we are left with 1 last stitch in the round. There I'm going to work 3 single crochets into the last stitch. 1, 2 and 3. Now I'm at the end of the round 2. Then again work a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet to join the round like this. Now we have completed the second round as well. Then again start with the third round. Chain 1, 1 single crochet into the same base stitch. Again work 1 single crochet into the next stitch. Now we reach the corner. There I'm going to work 3 single crochets into the same stitch. 1, 2 and 3. Then again 1 single crochet into each one of the next 3 stitches. So go into the next stitch and work 1 single crochet, Go into the next stitch and work another 1 single crochet. Again go into the next stitch and work another single crochet. Now we reach the next corner. There I'm going to work 3 single crochets into the same stitch. 1, 2 and 3. Again 1 single crochet into each one of the next 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3. Again the next corner, work 3 single crochets into the same stitch. 1, 2 and 3. Again 1 single crochet into each one of the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Then again work 3 single crochets into the next stitch. 1, 2, 3. And then work 1 single crochet into the very last stitch. Now I'm at the end of the 3rd round. Again work a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet to join the round. Now you can even stop the work from here and attach the hook ear wire, but I'm going to continue to make another round. I will show you that as well. Chain 1 to start with round 4 and work 1 single crochet into the same base stitch. Again 1 single crochet into each one of the next 2 stitches. 1 and 2. Then we are at the corner. Work 3 single crochets into the same stitch. 1, 2 and 3. Then again 1 single crochet into each one of the next 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Again 3 single crochets into the next stitch as the corner. 1, 2 and 3. Again 1 single crochet into each one of the next 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 3 single crochets into the next stitch. 1, 2, 3. And then 1 single crochet into each one of the next 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then again the next corner, work 3 single crochets into the same stitch. 1, 2, 3. And work 1 single crochet into each one of the last 2 stitches. 1 and 2. Now I'm at the end of the round 4. Then again work a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet to join the round like this. Chain 1, leave a little tail, and we can cut the yarn off. This is what we have completed, and depending on the thickness of the yarn material you're using, if you want to make it bigger, you can just continue to increase the number of rounds, or you can stop it from the 3rd round. So this is what I have completed, and after that we can use the yarn needle to hide the tails. And I have done the same pattern by using a thinner material as well. You can see the difference of the size. and we need to complete 2 of the pieces to complete the pair of earrings. And then we will see how to attach the pieces together to complete the earrings. And I'm going to take one jump ring like this and attach it to a stitch here, and I'm going to decorate it with a bead. This is completely optional, and I'm going to attach the bead into the jump ring here and close it up. And then slide the hook ear wire in. And secure it. With that, we have completed one of the earrings. Just like the same, we will complete the second earring as well. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this easy square earring tutorial. If you try it, don't forget to share your creations with me. For more crochet ideas, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the next video. Happy crocheting!